Create a bespoke LED billboard that is designed around your space, audience, and vision. Every brand deserves to be seen. At LEDsynergy, we design and build bespoke LED billboards that capture attention and deliver impact. From compact displays to large-scale outdoor digital billboards, every project is tailored to your exact requirements. We can offer standard products if it suits, or completely bespoke solutions, with precision engineering and expert design built around your vision. With more than 45 years of experience in LED display technology, we combine technical expertise with a practical understanding of real-world installations. Our billboards are built for reliability, high brightness, and outstanding visual clarity, ensuring your message stands out in any environment. At LEDsynergy, we understand the importance of providing comprehensive support to our clients. We help with every step of the process, from planning to installation and maintenance of LED billboards. Our experienced team can help advise on the suitability of your chosen locations for LED billboards, considering factors such as visibility and surrounding environment. We also offer a planning permission service where we manage and submit the full planning application on your behalf, not just the admin. We have a skilled installation team that can handle the entire setup process. From securing the necessary permits to mounting the billboards securely, we will ensure a smooth and efficient installation. LED billboards require regular maintenance to keep them in optimal working condition. Our team can provide ongoing maintenance and technical support, including monitoring the performance of your billboards, addressing any issues promptly, and conducting routine inspections. We understand that each client has unique advertising needs. Our LED billboards can be fully customized to display dynamic content, such as videos, animations, and real-time updates. We can work with you to create eye-catching and engaging advertisements that capture the attention of your target audience. Our LED billboards are built to withstand various weather conditions and are designed for long-term use. We use high-quality components and ensure rigorous testing to deliver reliable and durable products. At LEDsynergy, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We strive to provide exceptional service and support throughout your LED billboard journey. Our team is dedicated to addressing any concerns or questions you may have promptly and professionally. Whether you're upgrading existing signage or launching a new digital advertising space, we provide the expertise to bring your billboard project to life. Call our friendly, helpful team today. We'll be only too happy to talk through your project at no obligation to you.